Hi friends, welcome to Bright Your Life Academy. Here we come with another video, books and authors. Here I gathered some important books and authors names and currently launched books. Here we can see some of the politician books and sports persons books and cine actors books. Come on friends, let's move on to the video. First, Abhinav Bindra is an athlete in sports shooting. He is the first Indian to have the world and Olympic titles, and his autobiography is A Shot at History, which was written in 2011 with Rohit Brijnath. Then Aishwarya Dhanush, she is an Indian film director and also daughter of actor Rajinikanth. Her autobiography is Standing on an Apple Box, which was written in 2016. Then APJ Abdul Kalam. He is the former president of India. His books are India 2020, A Vision for the New Millennium, Wings of Fire, The Luminous Sparks, Indomitable Spirit, Mission India. Amartya Sen. He is an Indian economist and also awarded Bharat Ratna. He has written many books. Some of the books are The Idea of Justice, An Uncertain Glory, Liberty, Equality and Law, on Ethics and Economics. Next, Amitav Ghosh is an Indian author. His books are Hungry Tide, Sea of Poppies, The Shadow Line, Gun Island, River of Smoke. Here the Gun Island is the recently launched books, friends. It is launched in 2019. Next, Arundhati Roy. She is an Indian author and political activist. The God of Small Things got a Man Booker Prize for fiction, friends. Then The Cost of Living, The Ministry of Utmost Happiness. Then Aung San Suu Kyi. She is a Burmese politician and author and also Nobel Prize winner. She has written many books. Some of the books are Freedom from Fear and The Voice of Hope. Then Barack Obama is the former president of America from 2009 to 2017. He also written many books. Some of the books are The Audacity of Hope, Dreams from My Father of the I Sing. Next, Bill Gates is an American businessman and also software developer. He is the co-founder of Microsoft Corporation. His books are How to Avoid a Climate Disaster and The Road Ahead. Then B.R. Ambedkar. His full name was Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. He also known as Baba Saheb Ambedkar. He also written many books. Just some of the books are Waiting for a Visa, Ancient Indian Commerce. Then Charlie Chaplin. He is an English comic actor, filmmaker, and one of the and also he was one of the most famous stars of the world. His books are My Autobiography, My Early Years, and third one is My Trip Abroad. Then Chetan Bhagat. He is an Indian author. His books have remained as best-selling novels, friends. His books are One Indian Girl, Of Girlfriend, What Young India Wants. Dalai Lama. He is the spiritual leader of Dalai Lama. He is the 14th Dalai Lama. He got Nobel Prize in 1989. His books are Freedom in Exile, The Art of Happiness. Then Helen Keller. She is one of the inspirational women in the world. She is an American author and a political activist and lecturer, and she have many other roles. Her books are The Story of My Life, Life in My Darkness, The Open Door, The World I Live In. Hillary Clinton. She is an American politician and also a lawyer and wife of Bill Clinton. Her book are First What Happened, Grandma's Gardens, It Takes a Village. Indira Gandhi. Her full name was Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi. She is the first female PM of India. She has written many books. Here some books are given. First, My Truth, Eternal India, People and Problems. Next, Jawaharlal Nehru. He is the first Prime Minister of India. He has written many books. He likes reading books. Some of the books are given. The Discovery of India, Towards Freedom, Glimpse of World History, China, Spain and War. Next, Kapil Dev. He is a former Indian cricketer. During his captainship only, India got the World Cup in 1983. His fans sometimes call him Haryana Hurricane. His autobiography is Straight from the Heart. Kiran Bedi. She is a retired Indian police officer. Now she is the governor of Puducherry. She has written many books. Some of the books are It Is Always Possible, I Dare, What Went Wrong. I Dare is actually an autobiography. Then Lala Lajpat Rai is an Indian freedom fighter. He is popularly known as Punjab Kesari. He initiated the Punjab National Bank. He has written many books. Unhappy India is his book. Mahatma Gandhi, of course, he is the father of our nation. He has written many books. Just we can see some of the books. The Story of My Experiments with the Truth, Indian Home Rule, Pathway to God, India of My Dreams, All Men Are Brothers. Malala Yousafzai. She is a Nobel Peace Prize winner. Pakistani activist for female education. Her autobiography is We Are Displaced. Mamata Banerjee. She is the CM of West Bengal since 2011. She is the first woman Chief Minister of West Bengal. Her books are My Unforgettable Memories, Struggle for Existence, Slaughter of Democracy. Manmohan Singh, former Prime Minister of India from 2004 to 2014. His books are Changing India, Collateral and Financial Plumbing, Demonetization, The Economical Speaks, Biological Drugs Products. Next, Mary Kom. As already we know, she is an Indian Olympic boxer and now she is MP. Her autobiography is Unbreakable. Next, Michael Jackson. He is an American singer and also dancer. He is also known as the King of Pop. He also written many books. His books are Moonwalk, Love Never Felt So Good. Michelle Obama. She was the first Lady of America from 2009 to 2017. She was the wife of Barack Obama. Her two books are Becoming and American Grown. This is the book. Narendra Modi. He is the Prime Minister of India since 2014. Not much more introduction needed about him. Just we can go to the books. Exam Warriors, A Journey, Social Harmony, Divine India. Nelson Mandela. He is South African political leader. He is also served as President of South Africa from 1994 to 1999. He is called as the father of the nations. His books are Long Walk to Freedom, The Struggle is My Life, Conversation with Myself. Pranab Mukherjee, former President of India from 2012 to 2017. His books are Thoughts and Reflections, Challenges Before the Nation, The Coalition Years, Midterm Poll, The Dramatic Decode, The Indira Gandhi. Rabindranath Tagore is a poet, musician, artist, and written many books. Some of the books are Geetanjali, Post Office, The Gardener, The Wreck, The Paper Boots, and also some of the books. Raghuram Rajan, he is an Indian economist and a former governor of Reserve Bank of India. He also written many books. Some of the books are The Third Pillar, I Do What I Do. Ram Kamal Mukherjee is an Indian film journalist and critic. He got Best Journalist Award for 3 times. His books are Hema Malini, Behind Dream Girl, Sanjay Dutt, One Man, Many Lives. Next, Nath Govind. He is the President of India from 2017. Before, he was a lawyer. His books are The Republic and Ethic. Next, R.K. Narayan. He is an Indian writer, leading author of early literature in English. He got many awards. His books are The Guide, Malgudi Days, Swami and Friends, The English Teacher, The Vendors of Sweets, My Days. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. He has written 500 short stories. Some of the books are The Blue Umbrella, The Cherry Tree, Room on the Roof, Delhi is Not So Far, Roads to Missouri. Next is Saina Nehwal. She is a badminton player. She has got 24 international titles. Her books are Playing to Win, Mera Rocket, Mera Dunia. Then Sania Mirza. She is a famous tennis player and also former world number 1 in doubles. She got 6 Grand Slams titles and she was one of the most highest paid player. Her autobiography is Ek Against Ad. Sarojini Naidu. She is a political activist and poet. She is sometimes called as Nightingale of India. Her books are The Golden Threshold, The Bed of Time, The Broken Wing, The Sceptered Flute, The Village Song. Next is Satyajit Naik. He is an Indian author, screenwriter, and he is one of the youngest author in India. His books are Sridevi, Girl, Woman, Superstar. Next slide. Shahid Afridi. He is a Pakistan cricketer and also former captain. He announced retirement from international cricket in 2008 in France. His books are Game Changer. Next, Shashi Tharoor. He is a politician and also writer, and now he currently is MP. His books are The Great Indian Novel, Show Business, India from Midnight to Millennium, An Era of Darkness, The British Empire. Sheila Dikshit. She is a former Delhi CM. She is the longest serving female CM, friends. Her books are Citizen Delhi, My Times, My Life, Delhi Mera Delhi, Before and After 1998. And she died on 20th July 2019. Shilpa Shetty. Know about her. She is a cine actress. She is the winner of Big Brother 5. Her autobiography is The Diary of a Domestic Diva. Sourav Ganguly. He is very well famous cricketer. He is called as Dada. Now he is Indian Cricket Administrator and also President of BCCI. His book is A Century Is Not Enough. Next, Steven Weinberg. He is an American physicist and also the Nobel Prize winner for physics. His books are First 3 Minutes, Third Thoughts, Dreams of a Final Theory, Cosmology. Next, Sunil Gavaskar. He is a former cricketer. He has written many books. Some of the books are The Runs and Runs, Idols, Straight Drive, One Day Wonders, Tales from Sunny Days. Next, Vallabhbhai Patel. Sometimes he is called as Sardar Patel. He is an Indian politician and also first deputy Prime Minister. He is the founder of Republic of India. His books are Bharat Vibhajan, Gandhi, Nehru and Subhash. Next, Varun Gandhi. He is a politician and also now currently MP. He is a member of BJP. His books are Rural Manifesto, The Otherness of Self. Last, Yuvraj Singh, all-time favorite cricketer, friends. He also got many awards, Arjuna Award, Padma Shri Award, and also he is the first cricketer to hit the 6 sixes in an over in T20 in 2007. His autobiography is The Test of My Life. Thank you, friends. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you, friends.